Good morning students. In previous class we have completed mental maths problems and mixed bag problems, and textbook page number 90 there is a bit 90 bit applying 4 digit numbers story sums. Okay, look at a question. Ashok's school fee is 3456 per month. While paying, the tens and hundreds digits got interchanged. Did Ashok's parents have to pay less or more than the actual fee? Okay, now I will write answer. Look, a solution. First, Ashok's school fee is Ashok's school fee per month. How much? Yes, this is rupee symbol 3456. This is rupee symbol. Okay, 3456. While paying, the tens and hundreds digits got interchanged. So what happened? The tens and hundreds digits got interchanged. So what is the number here? 3456. Actual fees is 3456, but his father paid 3000. These two numbers got interchanged, so we'll get 3546. His father paid 3546. So here compare these numbers. Thousands place 3 3, both are same. Now 4 5. In this 4 and 5, which one is smaller one? Yes, 4 is less than 5. So we'll get less than symbol. 4 is less than 5. Therefore, this is the actual fee. This much their parents paid. So this is greater. So they paid more money than actual fee. Okay, this is first answer. Now look at B question. Okay, B. Vijay and Ajay went jogging in the morning. Vijay took 1056 steps. Ajay took 1065 steps. Who took more steps? Now Vijay and Ajay both are friends. Okay, Vijay took 1056 steps. So number of steps jugged by Vijay. How many steps he took? 1056. Now number of steps jugged by Ajay. How many steps took by Ajay? 1065. Now compare these two. 1056 and 1065. Thousands, both are having same thousands and hundreds. Now tens. Here 5 is there, here 6 is there. 5 is less than 6. So we'll get less than symbol. In these two, who took, which one is the biggest one? Yes, 1065 is the biggest one. Whose steps is one? Yes, Ajay. So therefore Ajay took more steps. More steps. Okay. Look at C question. Sahiba bought a sweet for 1 rupee. She gave a 1000 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return to her? Okay, Sahiba bought a sweet for 1 rupee. Now cost of a sweet. How much? 1 rupee. She gave 1000 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So money gave to the shopkeeper. How much she gave? 1000 rupees. Okay. Here, how much money did the shopkeeper return to her? So we have to subtract from this number to this number. So 1000 minus 1. Minus 1 means predecessor. So before number which we will get? 999. Therefore 999 rupees returned by shopkeeper. For whom? To Sahiba. Okay. Now look at D question. Mamata wants to buy a dress that costs 2450. She has 2000 rupee notes and one 500 rupee note. Does she have enough money to buy the dress? Okay. What she want to buy? Dress. So we'll write first cost of a dress. What is the cost of the dress? 2450. Now we will calculate how much money does she have. She has 2000 rupee notes. So number of 1000 rupee notes. How many are there? 2. Number of 500 rupee notes. How many 500 rupees are there? 1. So we'll calculate this one. 2000 rupee notes means 2 into 1000. So we'll get 2000. She has 2000 rupees. Now 500. 1 into 500. So she has 500 rupees. Okay. So therefore, how much total amount? Total amount. This 2000 plus 500. What will get? 2500. There are 2500 rupees are there with Mamta. Now look, how much money she has? 2500. What is the cost of the dress? 2450. In this two, which one is big? Yes, 2500. So she has more money. Yes, she have enough money to buy the dress. This is D. Look at textbook page number 91, cross curricular questions. The 4 highest mountains in the world have the following heights from sea level. Arrange them in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. You have to arrange these heights from big to small. Descending order. Okay, you have to look here, children. Problem solving. This is also your homework. Manav and his 3 neighborhood friends were born in the following years. Manav is 2000, Manisha 1997 and Arnav 2004 and Soumya 1999. So arrange the children names in ascending order of their ages. Means ascending order means small to big. First we have to find age of these children. To find age of these children, we have to subtract. Now which year it is? 2020. So we have to subtract these years from 2020. 2020, 2020, 2020. After subtracting, look here. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0 means Manav is 20 years old. Like that, subtract these all years from this year 2020. Then you will get ages of the children. you have to arrange these names in ascending order according to their ages. Okay, this is your homework. Next bit, hordes. Here 4 questions are given. If you add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, what do you get? Let's see. What is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Add 1 to the number. What will get? 9 plus 1? 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 9 plus 1? 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 9 plus 1? 10. 0 here, 1 carry. We got 10,000. This 10,000 is the smallest. How many digit number? 5-digit number. This first answer. Now look at second question. What is the difference between the successor and predecessor of a number? Here successor means adding 1 to the number. Predecessor means subtracting 1 from the number. So second solution. The difference between the successor and predecessor of a number is, look here, for example I am taking one number. Let's take 2. Okay, 2. What is the successor of 2? 3. And predecessor? 1. 1 is a predecessor and 3 is a successor. Difference means we have to do subtraction. So 3 minus 1, what will get? 2. Let's see one more example. For example, I am taking 7. What is the successor of 7? 8. And predecessor? 6. Okay. 8 minus 6, how much? 8 minus 6? Again 2. Means we are getting 2. The difference between the successor and predecessor of a number is 2. So 2 is the answer. Which is the smallest 4-digit number in which all digits are different? So 4-digit number starts from 1000. So we'll take first 1. Next digit starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this we will get. Yes. First we will take 1 here. After that this 0 will write here. Next 2. Next 3. This is 1023 is the smallest 4-digit number. In this all digits are different. They are not same. All are different. Now which is the greatest 4-digit number in which all digits are different? Look, after 6 what will get? 7, 8, 9. We will write from greatest number means we will write from this side. So we will get 9 first. 9. Next 8. Next 7. Next 6. 9876 is the greatest 4-digit number. In this all digits are different. Look at page number 92. Fun activity. Solve the crossword puzzle. Okay, here puzzle given. We have to solve this one. Across, down. Across means like this. Down means you have to write like this. Okay. First, we have to check these numbers and we have to write there only. Okay. 100 more than 3128. More than means we have to do addition. So, 3128 plus 100. Do this and write that number. Okay. What will get? 8, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3. 3228. Now, next the successor of 999. After 999, which number will get? Yes, 1000. So, second. Here second is there. We will write 1000. Next. 5604. Here 40, 30, 20, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 like this given. No, they simply gave 5604. So 5600, tens not given. So 0, next 4. Okay. 10 more than 2000. Add 10 to 2000, we'll get 2010. Next, counting in thousands, the number before 4125. So we'll get 3 before 4000. Which number will get? 3000. So 3125. Next, 2000 5 tens, 2 ones already completed. 2000s 5 tens, 2 ones. 8060. 8060. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones completed. The number between 5400 and 5402. Which number will get? 5401. So we'll write 5401. This is fun activity. Crossword puzzle completed.